Introducing PVD grade for machining key materials and components in foundational industries. PC9540 is a dedicated MS milling grade developed with a focus on productivity and cost efficiency securement, in line with the machining trends of difficult-to-cut materials in key foundational industries. Omega Tech forms a high-performance coating layer with multiple elements, enhancing hardness, lubricity, and heat resistance. Overall excellent properties and outstanding balance, enabling versatile and multifunctional performance. EnduraCore process, an optimizing technology for composition design and manufacturing, minimizes material defects and ensures uniform microstructure. Compared to conventional M40 grade substrates, it offers superior hardness and toughness, so it does not easily get fractured. PC9540 is recommended for low speed, heavy interrupted, and medium to rough machining. Primarily recommended for milling stainless steel, it can also be partially applied to titanium and Inconel. It has excellent tool life in the facing of large workpieces. It is suitable for machining with frequent interruptions, such as shapes with holes or assembly surface processing. It remains stable even in shouldering operations where vibration occurs in the workpiece or the tool. The turbocharger turbine housing is made of difficult-to-cut stainless steel, and PC9540 is recommended for rough machining. High-strength stainless steels are gaining attention as alternatives to titanium and Inconel, and PC9540 can also be applied here. PC9540 delivers excellent performance and cost efficiency in stainless steels and titanium widely used in the aerospace and power generation industries. The benefits include improved productivity, reduced tooling costs, and consistent quality.